It was early morning on the island of Sodor, and Thomas was hunting some cars. The train was for Henry. As Thomas was leaving, Henry arrived. Hi, Henry. Hello, Thomas. Your train is ready for you. Thank you. Henry quickly raced to go get the... Hello, Mitty. Don't have time to talk. Salty. And Henry raced off. Henry was leaving the docks. Hello, Thomas. Hi again, Henry. What are you doing? You know I'm pulling my train. Oh yeah, the one I just shunted. Like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, that one. What are you doing, Thomas? I'm waiting for you to leave so I can pull Annie and Clarabelle. Oh, okay. And Henry raced off. Gordon was waiting in a siding near the station. Hello. Hello, Henry. Why are you so bummed out? Because I gotta pull a goods train later. You do? Yeah. What does it consist of? It consists of a scruffy, a blue car, a green car, and a big van. That's funny. Why do you think that's funny? Because I'm pulling that train. What? Peep peep goodbye. Ooh, that angers me, said Gordon. That really angers me a lot. Soon Edward pulled up. Don't be so angry, Gordon. You didn't want to pull the goods train anyway. True. Very true, Edward. Well, I'll see you later in the sheds. I'm not gonna be in the sheds tonight. And then a white E2 class tank engine, like Thomas, rolled up. Who are you? I'm Jeffrey. Jeffrey. But for short, you can call me Jeff. Okay, Mr. Jeff. What are you doing here on the island of Sodor? I'm doing jobs for Sir Topham Hatt. What type of jobs? Weird jobs. Yeah. Like what? I don't know. Yeah, okay. I highly doubt you just don't know. I don't. Yep. trust me. I don't trust anyone on the island of Sodor. Hello, everyone. What do you want, James? Nothing. But Sir Topham Hatt does. Gordon and James. Yes? This is Jeffrey. He will be pulling coaches sometimes, but mainly he's gonna be shunting. Oh yay, another shunting engine. So we don't have to shunt anymore? So Thomas doesn't have to shunt anymore. Oh, come on! Well, bye-bye. But sir! No buts, Gordon. But I just don't know what to say. You should be thankful that I got a new shunter. Do you want to shunt? No, sir, I don't. That's what I thought. Later today, Caitlin will be bringing Skarloey here. Okay. You keep after him, Jeffrey, said Sir Topham Hatt. And Gordon. Yes, sir. Go pull the express right now. Okay, sir. Later that day, Alfie arrived. What's your name? Jeffrey. That's a cool name. Thank you. Peep, peep. Get back here with the express. I'm here to do some construction. What are you supposed to be doing? Tearing down this siding. What? Yeah. My siding? I'm sorry, but that's Sir Topham Hatt's orders. Well, that's just stupid. Hello, everyone. Hi, James. Sir Topham Hatt got out of James's coaches. Alfie. Yes, sir? I didn't say this siding. I said one of the sidings over on the blue track. Oh, you mean the Tommy track? Yes. I'm sorry, sir. I was confused. I better get out of here quickly. And Alfie raced away. Now for you, Jeffrey. Yes, sir? I need you to go shunt some coaches. Okay, sir. And Jeffrey quickly raced off. Come on, James, we have a big day ahead of us. Yes, sir. Ah, this is a nice siding. Very nice indeed. Sir Topham Hatt was looking out his window when he saw a suspicious engine. My, I wonder who that mysterious engine was. Hi, sir. Hello, Skarloey. What do you need, sir? We will be having someone to come and help you. What do you mean, sir? I mean, we're gonna have a flatbed. Oh yeah, that. Okay. Alright, do you understand? Yes, sir. We will be having a special engine. He's dark red. Kind of like James's coaches. Exactly. Okay, sir. So we're talking Hackett and James are Stuart quickly. But who came was the mysterious gray engine from before. Come on, get in. We don't have all day. Okay. And their journey began. Henry had to back up. Bye-bye, Henry. Bye, Thomas. Get out of my way! Ah! Thomas went right over the buffers and continued on. Ah!